Hey friends, if you're looking for a Mother's Day brunch idea, then this one may be for you. Super easy to put together. Your kids can help you with this one as well, and very tasty. So it's a ham and cheese croissant casserole. So for this one, what you will need is 1 cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, and it called for 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm using Colby Jack cheese, but you can use really any type of cheese you want in this. So it's, customizable. You need a 1/2 pound of cubed up ham. And that was just a ham steak I had, and I just cubed it up. And then for the seasonings, the recipe called for a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm not going to use the salt in this, but I just wanted to let you know that the recipe does call for it. But I feel as though this ham is going to be salty enough, so I'm going to leave the salt out. But you do need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of dry mustard, and I'm adding the onion powder. So I added about, I think it was a 1/2 teaspoon, and then about 2/4 of a teaspoon of this Cajun seasoning. And I just think that adds a little bit more to it. Now for the croissants, you want, these are mini. It's called for large ones, 5 to 6 large ones. In my store, this one's called petite. But I just chopped up a bunch into little cubes. This isn't the pan I'm going to use, but I'll show you in a minute. Then you need 7 eggs. And now I'm going to show you how easy this one is to put together. So you do need a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. I sprayed it already with some nonstick spray because you don't want anything to stick to this. So I'm just going to take those cubed up croissants and just put them as evenly as I can get them into the pan. So you just want to, spread it out, and then just make sure there's no spots where you can see the bottom of the pan. And once all of that is spread out, you're going to take a large bowl, add your 7 eggs, the milk, and all of your seasonings. And as I said before, this is customizable, so you can put whatever seasonings really, that you would like in this. And just whisk it well. You want to make sure all of that is fully incorporated and mixed in. So pour it over the top of your croissants. And you want to make sure that you get the liquid over all of that. You don't really want to have any dry spots if possible. So just continue to pour it over the top. And then you want to just you could take a spoon. I just used the whisk that I had on hand, and just, pressed it down into the egg mixture. And you want to just, get that soaked up a little bit. Put your ham on the top of that, and then I took a spoon and pressed that into it just to kind of get it. I wanted to make sure, it wasn't just sitting on top of the egg mixture. And then I added the mozzarella cheese and the Colby Jack cheese over the top of that, and just make sure it's spread evenly. And as I said, you can use whatever, cheeses that you prefer that would melt really good with this. And just make sure that cheese is, spread out to the edges, so, it's not going to dry anything out. But you cover it, put it in a preheated oven on 350 for 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, you want to remove the foil and then bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes until it's set up. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven in the casserole dish. And then this is what it's going to look like when you put it on a plate. But super easy to make and really delicious. All those seasonings and everything just worked really well with this. I really did enjoy it. And you can kind of see there where the crescent or the croissant rolls are, and all that cheesy goodness and the ham. You can also add, if you wanted, bacon, or, change it up, add bacon or some sausage or anything like that to it. Like I said, it's customizable, really easy to make. And I think, your mom or your family will absolutely enjoy this for a brunch. And I just wanted to show you the texture of it. You can kind of see where it's more of a custardy sort of texture. So to me, it kind of reminds me of like a French toast, sort of. And I like that because it's not dry or anything, and it was really good. And this is definitely one I would recommend trying. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That's going to notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone has a very blessed Mother's Day and a blessed weekend. God bless y'all.